Now let's see this integral 0 to n step x dx. Again, by using that one of the property, we can split the range. So interval. So even though the interval is given as 0 to n, you can split it as 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, so on. So why are we trying to split is, if you look at the step function, it is going to behave this way, right? If you say from 0 to 1, it is going to be 0 only, right? And from 1 to 2, right, its step function is going to be 1, which means here it is going to be 1, right? And from 2 to 3, the step function is going to be 2. Now this value is going to be 2, right? And from 3 to 4, the step function is going to be 3, right? Like this it is going to be there. Therefore, even though we are supposed to find out from 0 to n, I am going to split it as if it is from 0 to 1, and then from 1 to 2, and then from 2 to 3, 3 to 4, like that, because the function value is changing. That is why I am writing that way. Okay, so even though we have to find out step x, I am writing it as 0 to 1, its value is, step x value is going to be 0, and from 1 to 2, step x value is going to be 1, and 2 to 3, step x value is going to be 2, and similarly from n minus 1 to n, the step x value is going to be n minus 1, right? Now since these are constants, you can just bring them, we can just take them out of the integration. So which means leave 0 as it is. In this part you bring out 1, and integral dx is nothing but x. Now x with the interval 2 to 1 to 2. Therefore, if you substitute it, it will be 2 minus 1. Getting this? Now here also you can bring out this constant, and it is integral dx, which will be x with the interval 2 to 3. Therefore, you can write it as 3 minus 2, right? Plus so on, plus here you can pull out n minus 1. Yes, n minus 1 is pulled out, and integral x is nothing but, integral dx is nothing but x, and it is from n minus 1 to n. Therefore, it is n minus 1, right? So if you see this, all these are going to be ones only, right? And now what is the number remaining? These numbers 1, 2, so on, n minus 1, those numbers will be remaining. So 1 plus 2 plus so on plus n minus 1. So this is the sum of first n minus 1 natural numbers, so which can be written as n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. It is going to be n into n minus 1 by 2. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177, and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.